In this video we'll discuss the tire and track width options on the Horsch Leeb sprayers. Now this machine has come to us on 480 VF tires. The axle on the machine that we're looking at now is hydraulically adjustable from 2.6 to 3.5 meters. Now that's adjustable from the cab in 1 centimeter increments. That's important if we're aiming for a true 3-meter track width. Most sprayers that are on the market can't do that. They're slightly outside of that, meaning that they're limited to the tire width that they're able to run. We can run from a 380 up to a 900 wide tire, and we can ensure that we're running on that 3-meter increment. Now if we want to ensure that we're running between rows, we've also got a camera mounted above the wheel. That camera goes up to the monitor in the cab, so as we're driving we can press a button and see where that wheel is running to ensure that we're not damaging any crops. We've got a few different options for track width adjustment. We can do a fixed 2-meter axle. We're looking at a 2 to 3 meter hydraulically adjustable axle. We've also got the option for growers wanting to go wider with a 3 to 4 meter hydraulically adjustable axle. So lots of different configurations to fit all farming requirements. Please get in contact and we'd be happy to show you what this machine can do on your farm.